Hey everybody, it's Sharon here with L&A Little Flowers. Yay! Well, I thought I cleaned it all up. Remnants from the container I opened. Alright, I'm going to be making a fun soap today. Yay! The scent is Fresh Snow by Brambleberry. It smells so good. It said to compare it to fresh cotton or clean cotton, no, fresh cotton and clean linen. I don't know, it's just, it's a fabulous scent. It's very calming and soothing and fun. So, yep, that's my description. So, all right, first things first, we need to add our lye solution and get the saponification process in process. So, okay, here we go. A small, nice drizzle. Big glug there. And now, okay. Okay. All right. And my lye solution was down to room temperature. My oils were down to room temperature. So I should be good because this is my first time with this fragrance. So I don't know how it's going to act. Hopefully well. Okay, I have my stick blender. I just got this off Amazon in pink because I like pink. All right, here we go. Nice. So I'm going to have 3 colors. White, of course, for snow. Blue, light blue, and a hint of a dark blue. You know, like the chili. You know. So I'm gonna put white in here, blue, dark blue. Just a little bit. Give it a little bit of a dimension there. Okay, let's see, that looks good. All this looks fabulous. Loving it, loving it. In the white, in the light blue, I'm gonna add some kaolin clay. All right. Some blue. Okay. And that's color. First try. Okay. And okay. Now for the fragrance. I'm gonna put Tiny bit in there. A little bit in there. Okay. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Okay. Oh, it smells amazing. Oh, I wish you could smell this. I feel like going and building a snowman. But where I live, we don't get snow. So, I grew up in snow, so I kind of miss it. All right. I'm going to pour a layer of white for the bottom base is ground level of snow. This is really runny. But I have some cute little stick embeds here made from low sweat melt and pour. Look how cute that snowflake is. So I'm excited. I want this to thicken up a little bit, because I don't want this going, whoa, holy crap. Getting excited. All right, so I'll come back when this is ready to pour. So I think it's thick enough to work with. I was able to texture inside a little bit. Still yep. Okay, so what I'm going to do is set that off to the side for a second, and then I'm going to take I'm going to hold this up high. Okay. Just so it can get in there a little bit. Do that. I don't want to mix it up horribly. Because I have a picture in my head, and that can either be a good thing or a scary thing. But you never know until you try, right? So I tell my kids when they don't want to do something. I have a son who wants to give up playing the saxophone or learning how to play in school because he's not good at it right now. And I'm like, no, you need to keep doing it. Okay. This, if it breaks this layer and goes underneath, I mean, I wouldn't be the worst thing. Whoa. Okay. Okay, and mash that down. Okay. All right, and I'm putting these cute little embeds. Okay, put one. And hopefully and then some more. Okay, kind of. I'm just kind of all over the place. put this one on this side. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. All right. Then I will dump the rest on top. Maybe. Okay. Now I have to wait for this to set up even a little bit more so I can use the rest of it as frosting on top. Okay, I will come back when that is ready. So if you're a soap maker and you need something to do an intricate design, fresh snow from Brambleberry, that's what you want. Pre-snowflake embeds. I'm going to do some Sparkle Me Aqua by Mad Micas. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. Wow, that's like so shimmery. I love it. Okay. I'm going to try and line up my snowflakes. Really trying with the, I tend to lean. It's getting better. Okay. I have here my 99% isopropyl. Is that how you say it? Okay, I think we've established that my pronunciation of words is on the lacking side. Okay, I'm going to spritz this down. Give this another. I almost want to put a little hollow glitter on there. What do y'all think? Ooh, just a little bit though. It just gives it a little something, something. Okay. See, look at that. I think that looks good. Okay, that's enough glitter and all that fun stuff. All right, so we will come back in 18 to 24 hours, probably closer on the 24 side, just because this took forever to get hard. I don't know, we'll see. Beauty shot. "24 hours. Excited to see inside." All right, I think I have it lined up. that a little bit. Okay, all right, here we go. Cutting. Oh. Okay. Pulling out from the middle. Oh, look at that. It's gorgeous. Snowflakes, white covered ground. Oh, yay. Oh, I'm so happy. All right. All right, and a couple of little sample things. All right. Well, if you like this video and like what you saw, give me a thumbs up, like those, and leave me a comment. I love reading those. So do my kids. And hit the subscribe button. And as always, happy crafting and have a fantastic day. Later.